Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Shauer speed lathe. They're made by DC Morrison, the makers of Morrison key seaters. It's 220 volt, 3-phase, 2-speed motor at quarter horsepower, 570 RPM, or half horsepower, 1140 RPM. This model has the 5C spindle in it. It has a 5C expanding collet in it at the moment, with the lever drawbar. We have some more expanding collets with it. Some Morse taper number 3 tailstock mounted on the base plate. Tailstock is spring loaded. You can lock it back or spring loaded forward. This is all original paint. You don't find them in this condition normally. They're normally very heavily used. New replacement cost on the headstock alone is about $8,830. That's for the because the 2-speed motor is a $430 option, and the head alone is if I remember right, $8,400 plus the 2-speed motor, and then an additional how much for the base plate and tailstock. There it is at high speed. It's nice and quiet. There it is on low speed. Go back to high speed. There you have it. Check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.